We recommend this product be installed by a competent gunsmith.
Modification of your firearm may nullify the warranty of the firearms manufacturer.
No liability is expressed or implied for damage or injury which may occur from improper use or installation of this product.
You are responsible for the safe handling, legalities, and use of your firearm.
Warning: always wear safety glasses when working on firearms. Hi guys, Scott Folk here from Apex Tactical Specialties. Today I'm going to walk you through the installation of our optic adapter plate for the Sig Sauer P320 RX model to install the Romeo1 Pro optic. For this install, you'll need an 1/8 inch hex wrench, a 20 inch-pound torque limiter, in this case a fix-it stick, and a driver. Wanted to go over the kit contents with you real quick. You have the adapter plate itself, as well as the custom-made screws that go with it. You'll notice they already have some thread locker pre-applied, so you don't need to add any liquid thread locker to these. Install's pretty straightforward. We're going to slide the new plate in. Be careful, it is dovetailed, so you have to go from the sides. You can't just drop it on top. So push it in. If it's a little bit tight, you may need to take a diamond file and trim off a little of the front bottom edge or the back bottom edge, but it should fit right in. You're going to take this, slide it into the slide, line the holes up, and then you can put your optic right on top. Now, you could use the optic shield that comes with the optic, or you can use it without. It's up to you. In this case, I'll leave it off. I'll go ahead and drop this straight down on top. I'll set my screws in, and then I'll torque the screws to 20 inch-pounds, no more. You're using an 1/8 inch driver, the same driver you use to remove the factory screws. Makes life a little easier. And again, I'll put these guys down until they touch, and then I'll torque them once they're both touched down. So that one's down, the other one, same thing. These are 648 threads, so there's pretty fine pitch, but never go over 20 inch-pounds. This is pretty critical in the long run because you don't want to break a screw off. So get them touched down, a couple clicks there, switch the other one, same thing, couple clicks, and we're all set, ready to go shoot. As you can see, installation of the optic plates is pretty straightforward. When you go to install them, make sure you apply no more than 20 inch-pounds of force to those screws. You'll strip screws out and you'll have all kinds of problems if you do. So again, make sure you use the proper tools for the job. Pay attention, take your time. If you have any questions or concerns, contact Apex Customer Service.